My name is Ria. I'm the project leader of ASMARA, antimicrobial mobile application in reducing antimicrobial resistance. In Indonesia, using antimicrobial wisely and quantitatively optimum is only 20%. Overuse of antimicrobial, either in hospitals and in communities, leads to selective pressure, which has an impact on antimicrobial resistance. So what do we need? We need accessible guidelines and antimicrobial stewardship program. But the problem here is, first, not all hospitals understand about this program. Second, providing manual guidelines is inconvenient and costly. Our team believes that we can solve this problematic condition using two methods. First, bring the very tailored app. Second, conduct 2 days workshop during World Antimicrobial Awareness Week 2022. ASMARA is the first innovation in promoting prudent use of antimicrobials and reducing hospital costs in eastern part of Indonesia using mobile app. Health professionals in Nusa Tenggara can download this app freely.
From screen to pocket.